Well, it looks like the calm over India's elections leaves traders and stocks exposed to surprise outcomes. Indian option traders do not appear concerned about the possibility that the next election might disrupt the market's rising trend and expose them to an unexpected outcome. Our next report tells you more.
With the world's greatest democratic exercise drawing near, the value of the Nifty 50 index's monthly options expiring shortly after the election has increased marginally. This suggests markets bet for the current government to continue in power after the polls. However, its premium over April is 61% lower than it was before the May 2019 elections. This suggests the risks are higher for any other outcome than a solid majority to the current government. Corporate profitability, retail investor involvement and foreign inflows have contributed to 8 consecutive years of record stock price increases in India. Low volatility has now begun to rise again, coinciding with a sell-off in small and mid-cap shares in response to warnings from the securities regulator on overvalued stock prices. With the Bharatiya Janata Party's triumph in December's crucial state elections, the political uncertainty surrounding India's $4.3 trillion stock market has diminished. Prime Minister Narendra Modi eyes a third term in office during the 6-week national elections, which begins on April 19th and will end with the counting of votes on June 4th. Previously, Indian benchmark stock indices rose more than 2% in the month following the 2019 election. Previously, Indian benchmark stock indices rose more than 2% in the month following the 2019 election. But they lost all of that and more in the months that followed. Since then, though, the options market has expanded by a factor of more than 100. That is due to an influx of individual investors drawn by the promise of enormous profits. Now traders are paying more to be protected from larger market swings later in the year, when attention will turn to India's budget and the US presidential elections. Bureau Report, WION World is One.